Welcome back. You're watching NewsX with me, Riya Dwivedi. Now let's take a look at the top story of the hour. Supreme Court uploaded reports, photo and video with respect to the allegations of the discovery of unaccounted currencies at the home of Justice Yashwant Verma, sitting judge of the Delhi High Court. The inquiry report of the Delhi High Court Chief Justice and the response of Justice Verma have been made public. The controversy erupted after a fire at Justice Verma's office residence on March 14 led to the discovery of a large sum of cash. Meanwhile, Justice Verma expressed concerns about a potential conspiracy against him. In his formal response to the Chief Justice of India, he categorically denied any connection to the cash or knowledge of how it arrived in the storeroom. But viewers, before we get into that, let's take a look at exactly this video that has of the fire that took place at his office residence. What exactly did that video show, and the details related to the cash of pile that was seen. And we'll be taking a look at that video. But meanwhile, we've seen now in an unprecedented move, the Supreme Court has released the document and the report in which it includes the Supreme Court's 3 queries and the response of Justice Yashwant Verma. So when we're talking, looking at this video and a screenshot of that, a blue colored plastic bag that you can see on your screens. That blue colored plastic bag contains the pile of money, and this signifies the pile of money that we are talking about. This is the number, the 500 notes. We can see that we have numbered them, and these are the 500 notes that are seen in that room that we were talking about. Those are the pile of cash that have been talked about. And this is the video. You can see that's a large amount, that's a large quantity of money that you can see. Debris indicates large quantity. So in that fire, a huge quantity of money was burned, and that's the visual that we are talking about. Debris indicating a large quantity of money, and we can see that notes can be seen even on the higher shelf. They are arranged even on the higher shelf in that room. In the house of Justice Yashwant Verma. He has stated that that's an outhouse, but you can see on your screens that's the level of cash that there is in that room. And you can even see this orange cloth on your screens that's also present. You can see one of the officials, the investigator, also taking a look at that orange cloth that is present in that room amongst all of the pile of cash, the debris of the pile of cash that can be seen. And when we are looking at that, this is the work that is being taken place after the fire took place. It's a dark old storeroom like structure. We have talked about this earlier as well. That room was completely dark. It was covered with black soot after the fire took place. And this is the glass that was retrieved from the debris. You can see on your screen, we have marked it out for you. That's the glass that was retrieved from the debris after the fire that took place at his residence. And we're looking at other visuals that are coming in. More debris from the corner are scrapped out. Those are the officials that are there. The fire officials that are present at that, they are scraping it out. The structures that you can see, it's a very dark room indeed, and in that dark room, that's the cash that can be seen. But viewers, before we are getting into that, when we're talking about this whole thing, we have with us my colleague Sambhav Sharma joining us on the broadcast with us. Sambhav,